What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Rest Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet and you've seen some of the videos, make sure consider doing that down below. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Today we are talking about something that I actually did a couple weeks ago. Wasn't sure how it was gonna work, so I have this Camaro cover from West Coast Camaro, I believe is who it sells it. It's off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it down below. It's about 150 bucks. Anyway, so it's been sitting in the trunk. I left town, so I thought, why not cover it up? I cover it, obviously, when I'm not doing stuff with it, and it's gonna sit for a while just to protect it. And I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit simply because we have the splitter on the front, and then we have the new spoiler, and I thought, okay, well, this thing, there's no way it's gonna fit over the spoiler, cover the back of the car, but take a look at this. So as you can see, it covers all the way down. Now, it does, oops, sorry about that. It does show a little bit of tire right here, and the body is really close. This does have this, kind of dirty, but it's got this cottony cover on the inside. Obviously this thing pulled to the max. You can see that it's hitting the seams. This is actually where it's supposed to line on the side of the car, but it does cover it. It also has your little mirror pockets, and this thing runs about 150 bucks. Anyways, I like it. I throw it on the car whenever I'm not going to use it for an extended period of time, just like with these guys. The Harleys have covers. I often forget to cover the V-Rod because I'm a jackass and I'll start doing stuff. It's kind of my MO, is just start doing stuff and then I'll figure it out later, which always creates more of an issue for me. So that was actually a pleasant surprise because I was wondering, hey, do I have to buy a new cover because of the spoiler, or what else do I have to do? Now, a couple other things to note. I'm going over to the other side of the garage. I'm finally starting to fill up, full of some equipment and gear that I use for this and for our other YouTube channel. Anyways, over here, so I never talked about this and I just kind of want to show you guys. So when I got rid of the, let me put this camera down. When I got rid of the F-150, I had to get a new Joby stand. Part of the issue, let me adjust you guys here. Part of the issue with the camera before was my Joby, the little tripod that I use with this, kept moving. Anyways, so when I got rid of the F-150, it had my rigid lights on it. I love these things. So these are the rigid floods. Let's see if it'll focus. Right there. Have the yellows. And then I have the driving lights as well, which I put the black covers because at the time I had a black truck and I thought it looked cool. It does tint it though, so it's not as brutal for oncoming traffic if I use them. These are the driving lights. I'll put links to these down below too if you're interested. These rigid lights are badass for multiple reasons. One, obviously they're expensive, so I'm gonna get that out there right away. Yes, you can buy Crees for a quarter of the price or less. I haven't bought them. I know guys that have, and they live by them. I love these. I love the design of them. Obviously, the lighting is all diffused with the casing. It's water sealed. I know for a fact because I've ran these on 2 different trucks through many winters. They're still great. They have the sealed connectors on them. It's got auto face tracking. It does a good job. Anyways, so, and then you've got this humongous ass harness here. I actually spliced this together and built this harness because I had 2 harnesses, well, 2 parts of harnesses for the F-150, and I ended up making it into one. So obviously I kept all of that. So here in a future episode, the Rebel will be getting the rigid lights. I do have a new thing coming in for the Camaro as well, which you guys will be pleasantly surprised. That'll be in here over the next few weeks. They're building it right now, so I'm super excited for that as well. I don't know if I ever showed you guys these. I don't come over here as often as I need to be because I've got a good work area over here. Some of the older models, you got the 50, Camaro. You got your old school, which is one of my favorites, Z28. You got a Cop, 5th gen, and then you got another Super Sport convertible, which is cool, in addition to all the other ones I have over there. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update there. I am still working on the giveaway deal with the gauge overlays. I have been super busy. We had Thanksgiving, we had a little bit of Black Friday shopping. I got my daughter's birthday. Ended up getting sick for 2 days. That's why there's a delay in some Wrenched Out Garage videos. I've got some vinyl decals I'm gonna share with you guys and hopefully give away a couple of those, some Garage Life ones. I'll show you guys that in the next video. I was just super stoked because when I left last time, the cover was in the trunk of the car, and right as I was leaving, cleaned the car up a little bit and said, screw it, let's see if it fits. And again, if you look right there, that's all that's exposed. So not too bad, 150 bucks again on Amazon. I'll put the link to that down below. Super glad to be back. Super glad to be feeling better because it sucked when I was sick. We have a lot of cool stuff coming. As promised, hopefully we'll get the first episode of the new Monday drop, which is gonna be the news. So the quick and dirty plan is pretty simple. We are going to do, trying to find a spot to park this guy here. So the quick and easy simple plan is we're gonna do Mondays is the news, Wednesdays are installs if I have them, the rest of the week, or anytime I feel like it, we're gonna be doing these garage talks. So that's kind of the setup. I wanted to make it super simple for me, being the content creator, for you guys if you guys are watching this. So make sure and hit that bell because we got a lot of new videos that are going to be coming out. I've got a couple of videos I'm planning for the Ram Rebel, so that's coming here probably in the next couple of videos. We'll be talking and going over some more stuff with the Rebel. To include, I got some light bulbs I'm going to switch out and so much more. Anyways, guys, let's wrap it up there. Short and sweet. Well, not really. I see it's at 7 minutes. Anyways, thank you for tuning in to this week's Garage Talk here at the Wrenched Out Garage. Again, if you guys have not checked out our Facebook page or our Instagram, you guys can get a hold of us there. We're actually going to start including some of that stuff. I've got a guy that sent me some really cool pictures and plans on what he's doing with his 6th gen. So I'm going to be sharing that in this coming Monday's Garage news video. So make sure to get a hold of us there. And of course, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below. Doesn't cost you a thing. And don't forget to hit the bell. If you guys are out riding or driving, do it safely, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.